G'day folks, I'm Trishan Thagard. In this video I'll be teaching you how to set up and use the basics of Photon Unity Network. First you want to get Photon Unity Network, just head over to Window, Asset Store. Now when the search bar pops up you're going to want to type in PUN, it's P-U-N. There it is down there. Get the free version, obviously comes to no cost. Download and install it. Once you download and install it, you'll get these 3 folders. Now that you've got that, you want to get an app ID, so head on over to photonengine.com and sign up through the PUN, and you'll get an app ID from these guys. Now once you've got your app ID, you want to head over to Photon Unity Networking, Resources, Photon Server. You'll want to copy and paste your app ID into here. Make sure hosting's on Photon Cloud, whatever region you're in. Keep it on UDP, and make sure Auto Join Lobby is ticked. Now that we've got Photon Unity Network set up, we're going to want to connect to the server. So to do that, make an empty game object, call that scripts. And then we'll make a C# script, call it server handler. Put server handler onto the game object scripts. Don't know why it's doing that. Sorry, my Unity's a bit slow. We'll then open up the server handler. Alright. Now, we're only going to call this connecting to the server itself once. So we'll put it inside the start function. And to do that, there's a new class called Photon Network. We go Photon Network dot connect using settings. Now connect using settings takes in a string. The string can be named whatever you want it to be. But for players to play together, the string needs to be the exact same. So version 1.1 can't play with 1.0 and vice versa. Now this should connect us to the lobby, but just to double check, we're going to go void on lobby, on joined lobby, sorry. Debug.log on joined lobby. Wait for that script to load and then we'll test it. Alright. Keep an eye on our console down here. As you can see, we joined the lobby. Now normally from here we would make a menu so that our players can choose if they want to host a room, join a room, or disconnect from a room. But just to move things along, we're going to automatically join into a room. So to do that, when we join the lobby, we're going to go Photon Network dot join random room. Now this will instantly fail because at this point there is no room. So we go void on Photon, random join failed. Log that. Now from here we're going to want to create the room, but we're going to make some variables so that you can get a better understanding of how you can manipulate a room. So we'll go room options, call that room options. Equals new room options. Is visible equals true. And max players, whatever you would like it to be. But I'm just going to set mine to 6. And we're going to make a random number generated into a string. So I'm going to go random num, or int, int random num equals random range dot range. And I'll say 0 to 1,000,000. So this is a 1 out of 1,000,000 chance that we'll get the exact same number, but the chances of that are very low. Then we'll want to actually create the room. So we'll go create room, Photon Network dot create room. Then you want to put, this is the string part, this is the name of the room. We're just going to put random num here, dot to string. The room options, which we already made a variable for, or variables, and typed lobby dot default. Now this should join into a room. Just to double check that, we'll go void on joined room. Debug.log. Joined room. There you have it. We join the lobby, connecting to the server. We failed to join a room. We then joined the room. After we failed to join the room, we created the room, and then we joined it. Now just for demonstration, we're going to disconnect from the room. Now this is going to be very bad code in a way, because we're going to be cycling between disconnecting and connecting. But this is just a demonstration. Leave room. And that's how you leave a room. So now when I hit play, it should just cycle through joined lobby, on random join failed, joined the room, and then recycle. And there you go. It's working. So those are just some basic commands that are very easy to use for the Photon Unity network.